You guys gonna sing? Eh? So here we have a couple of magpies. And a butcher bird over there. Well, there was. This is a bird that I call Skinny 2 legs, because it's the female of the two. There's a male over there. You being a good girl? Do you want some more food? Yeah, you just wait a sec there and I'll give you some food. So today I'm feeding them mince with insectivore, which is an important supplement, and it keeps their bones strong, and it keeps them, has a balance of nutrients that they need that doesn't come in the straight mince. There's a little bit left here. Now our butcher bird's back. There's our butcher bird. I've been feeding these two birds off on and off for several years now, so although it's been a little while, they do know me. Isn't that right, Skinny? Hmm? Yes. Just trying to get the last of the mince out of the bag without butcher bird stealing it from my fingers before I have a chance to put it in the insectivore. This is very tricky doing this with one hand. There we go. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, last little bit. Every year, Skinny brings their chicks around in the spring, and we feed them as well. Isn't that right? You gonna save some for Fatty? There we go. Good girl. That's all the mince I've got now. Yeah, that's all the mince. What you gonna do now? You gonna sing a nice song? Oh, no, I'm going to leave. Okay then. Oops. Butcher bird was trying to snap at my fingers because he thinks there's food there. There we go. Did you get a nice snack? Get some more. There you go. And Fatty 2 legs is sitting over there in the shade watching. Anyway, so no dragons at the moment because they're all asleep, but that was a quick update with the current bird life happening. All right, until next time, signing off.